Hey folks, back again for another video. Obviously I'm I'll put it on the screen right now. It's a screenshot where I'm at, somewhere in Louisiana, about I think about 20 miles west of Baton Rouge, headed towards the coast of Louisiana, or actually Mississippi, the Gulfport. There's a aquarium there that I want to go see, and I'm gonna stop there on my next trip. I've only got about 2.5 hours to go for that one. Let me show you where I'm at though. Alright, here's where I'm at. Just off the, I think it's off the I-10. Anyhow, bus is doing really good. Not had any problems with it or the trailer. Anyhow, I just wanted to do a quick update of where I am, and I'll do another video update when I get to Gulfport, and probably of the museum or the aquarium. Anyhow, see you on the next video.